Hello, this ViewPathDB tutorial will show you how you can add columns to a list of results. I'm looking in PlasmoDB and I have a list of results here that I ran a search. If I scroll down, you will get a tabular list of all your results. You can add columns to this list of results by clicking on the Add Column button. This will give you a pop-up that contains a list of all the possible columns that you can add. To add a column, you can find it by either toggling between the different submenus to find a column of interest, or you can filter the list of columns by typing the name of column in the search box. For example, I would like to add a column for chromosome number, so I just start typing the word chromosome, and you will see here that anything pertaining to genomic location is filtered, and there's one called chromosome. So I will select this one and click on Update Columns. Now you'll notice that a new column appeared called chromosome, and you can sort this column either ascending or descending. And you'll notice here now we have all the genes that are on chromosome 1 starting at the top, and as you scroll down through your list of results, you can go to or find additional chromosomes. If you have any additional questions or comments or would like to provide suggestions, please click on the Contact Us link, which is located at the top or bottom of any of our pages, and we are happy to answer your questions.